Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys all 4 shops that are down in the fairy world. So there are actually 4 shops. There's this one in the middle. There's one on the left, one in the other like middle part. I don't know how to explain. So like one here, one here, one here, and one here. There's 4. So basically, the middle one, you'll need to submit fairies. What you can get. Okay, so what are you selling? So these are the items you can get. You can get the Enchanted Chest, a Luminous Wand, Mutation Spray Luminous, and Luminous Bright. This is a new pet. I do have the Glimmering Sprite one, but this one spreads the Luminous Mutation. And here you are just going to basically get your fairy jar and you're going to submit your fairy jars. So it unlocks more. I guess that's what I presume. And then there is this one where you can purchase seeds. So what are you selling? So you can purchase the Enchanted Seed Pack, the Pixie, I don't know how to pronounce that, and Untold Bell. I really want these. These are super cute, but I need to open, wait, how many more fairies do I need to catch? Oh, 250 more. That's great. You can also catch fairies down here, so make sure you do this while you're at it. So, okay, so the third shop, we have cosmetics. What are you selling? So, Enchanted Crate, Glimmering Crate, Wisp Ball. So, by the way, you purchase these using fairy points. As you can see, so Enchanted Crate is like 2,500 fairy points. I'm just trying to restock until... Can I buy Glimmering Crate? Okay, there we go. Okay. And then lastly, there is the pet shop over here. Pets. And what are you selling? You can buy an Enchanted Egg, Wisp, Drake, and Petrard Glimmering. I do suggest you saving your fairy points for the ones you cannot. For the ones you can only purchase with fairy points. If you want like Enchanted Egg and Enchanted Seeds, maybe it is a little bit better to just do the fairy event upstairs. But if it's only purchasable through fairy points, I recommend you doing that. But that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.